Hello world! We are here at Citadel Castle, located in the Holy Land of Byblos, Lebanon. Come and join us with my friends to see the beauty inside and outside of the place. Tara! Yan na po si Mayet, saka si Eileen at saka si Jana. Papasok dun sa Citadel Castle. Ito po yung ibang views na harangan na po. O yan po. Yan po si Rose trying to vlog. Ito din po ay si Dunia. Nasa likuran ni Rose. Oh, she's coming inside. Andun po si Ruth sa likod, yung naka-pink. Ito po. Posing-posing ang mga Pilipiniye. Ayan po si Ruth TC Vlog. Pakisubscribe daw po. At ito po.
The Citadel Castle is a castle in Byblos. It was built by the Crusaders in the 12th century from indigenous limestone and the remains of Roman structures. The finished structure was surrounded by a moat. It belonged to the Genoese Embriaco family, whose members were the lords of Gibelet, as Byblos was called during Middle Ages. Saladin captured the town and castle in 1188 and dismantled the walls in 1190. Later, the Crusaders recaptured Byblos and rebuilt the purifications of the castles. In 1197, in 1369, the castle had to fend off an attack from Cypriot vessel from Famagusta. The Byblos Castle has distinguished historical buildings for neighbors. Near it stand a few Egyptian temples, Phoenician royal royal necropolis, and the Roman amphitheatre. These are testament to the varied and rich history of the town of Byblos.
Ano? Oh, careful. Ay, no. Tugod? Diyan? Gusto mo isend ko sa'yo yung video? Mag-edit-edit ka din. Para souvenir mo sa Lebanon ba? Pag malay mo biglang mawala ang Lebanon, di may souvenir. Diyan kami naliligo, Rose. Diyan nga. Lalakarin mo yan papunta doon. May parkingan dyan.
Baka yan naman yung sa baba na nilakad natin.
Hindi ah.
Bala.
No. Dito yung baba, oh.
Ayun pala.
Loka. Sufte, yun. Libre lang dyan.
Diyan?
Harap ka dito, uy. Andiyan na si Arlene. Ang sakit na dyan ko. Baka tayo magkasakit sa kaarawan na ito. Huwag naman sana.
Grabe. Tingnan mo yung anak mo.
Nagagalit sa mundo. Ang alam lang daw niya manood ng sine, magheke-heke.
Tingnan mo siya.
Psst. Hi! Why so grouchy? Ay! Why you throw it? We will use it for drinking. Because if there is no cup. I'm so grouchy, girl. It's better to climb up and hide here and see the beauty of Lebanon. The beauty of Lebanon. Oh, halika na. Baba ka dun. Mag-video ka. Sige. Videohan mo dun. Ganda naman para ding Chinatown. Wala nga lang yung castle. Naku, Bablos Beach. Our memories there when Dunya is still a baby with Charlotte. Oo, kasi libre lang. Lagi kami dyan every other week. Diyan ako dinadala ni Asrap kasi libre. Ang daming tao. Grabe. Ando na yung mag-aama sa kaarawan like paano ba mag-akyat doon? Time ha. Nauuhaw na naman po ako. Ang anak ko po ay gusto ng drinks. Mahaba po ang queue pagbili sa Mata. We will buy Mama down there if there is no queue, okay? But not in Mata. It's Mata. It's Mata, you are telling. Okay.